1, 2, 3, 4. So today we're going to be talking about different types of ways to do a turnaround in a blues. So let's say you're doing simple blues like 3, 4. So you need a way to turn around. So this area over here is going to be taken up by something like so. Let's run one through. Another one might be. Or now you could go or you could go or you could go with a little bit more bottom end. Okay, you could also do it in sevenths. Or So on this one, you're playing like D7, E7 is really what this chord is. So you got to learn to play with your pick and two of your fingers at least. So then you can go. A little faster. So you have this. So you've got a power E chord. Then add your ring finger on the G string, 4th fret, and your pinky on the 5th fret of the B string. And you're going to pluck with your pick the low E, and you're going to pull with your ring finger and your middle finger on the G string and the B string. And you're going to go. One more time. There's various types of ways to do the turnaround. Simplest would be one more time slower. Another simple one would be one more time. A little bit more sophisticated one might be again. Okay, another one that's more sophisticated than that would be like this. Okay, now here's one similar to that, but you can add the bass strings in. So you could play an E chord with E power chord with one finger. All right, then add your ring finger and your pinky. So again, you're going to pluck the low E string with your pick and grab the G and the B string with your ring finger and your middle finger on your right hand. So this is an A power chord, A minor. Okay, now, how about this type? Okay, now we've got something similar, and we're going to do it with like a D7 shape. First, you can do it without the bass note, where you just go. Then you can add the bass note if you're feeling daring. You can do it without the seventh. You could do this. Or